Hi, this is Christine with Evening Development. Today I'd like to highlight some of the new features that are available in Importacular 4.3. One of the things we're really excited to show you is that you can now access the user guide from anywhere in Importacular. You can see this blue question mark within a circle, and when you click on that, it takes you to the user guide for the area that you're working with in Importacular. So you can see here that it's taken us to the page on importing to constituent. You can find the link here for the video about importing to constituents, as well as screenshots and other directions. We hope that that will help you get up-to-date information no matter where you are in the product as you are using it. One of the other areas that we've added is the ability to work with some attribute field settings. Now, this information is not eligible on gift attributes, but it is on every other type of attribute within the system. So with attributes, we have match settings. So what that does is the match setting allows you to determine if there's an attribute already in Razor's Edge that matches what you're importing. So it's automatically going to look at the category, but you can also tailor those match settings to include description, dates, and comments. And then you have options here in the area settings to determine what to do when there's a match. But as well as that piece of the process, you can work with your field settings. So directly here in a field setting, you can decide what to do is as to whether or not you're going to update existing or just adding new to existing constituents. So you've got some more layers within those attributes of what to do when, in the case of a match, what fields you want to update, as well as what fields you want to maintain the same within Razor's Edge. We also have a change in our gift mapping area. In the gift area settings, you now have an option to make an adjustment based on missing key fields. So key fields within Razor's Edge for gifts are the fund, amount, and the date. And if those fields are missing previously, the gift would be ignored. So if there was something within your mapping that caused one of those three fields to be blank, nothing would happen as far as that gift. It wouldn't go into batch, but you also wouldn't get an exception. So now if you're working with a file and you're missing some gifts and you can't figure out what's going on, you do have an option to change the setting here and create an exception so that you can then see what's happened and go back and change your template accordingly. Or maybe you don't want those gifts in the system, but you can at least see which gifts didn't go into the system. Thanks for joining us on a tour of some of the new features that were released in version 4.3. We do look forward to sharing with you new features as they roll out, and we're really excited about some of the things to come in the next few months. One of the big things that we anticipate in 4.4 is the opportunity to select just a few rows as you're importing, as well as some automatic backup of templates to help save your templates that you've spent so much time working on. So there's some exciting things coming as we release new versions, and we hope that you will join us to hear more about those in the future. Thanks. Have a great day.